We have a lot of exciting news going on with Ethereum. It smashed through $3,000 per coin, just skyrocketed through that. And it's already starting to approach that $3,500 per coin. And I think this is just the beginning for where we can see it go. I think we could see it reach all the way up to $15,000 per coin this year. Overtake Bitcoin as the number one spot in terms of market cap for cryptocurrencies. And there's a lot of big things going on with Ethereum right now. So first of all, the other day we saw over 400,000 Ethereum coins flowing out of Coinbase. And this is a really big deal because what it shows is that we're most likely seeing a lot of institutional investors starting to buy Ethereum. Before this, we had not seen many institutional investors, big whales, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. We had seen most of them stick to only Bitcoin, like we saw Visa and MasterCard and all these other companies starting to get into Bitcoin. We saw Elon Musk and Tesla buy about $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has been being purchased by institutional investors. We have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. We have a lot of other ways that institutions can invest in Bitcoin. But now we start to have these Ethereum ETFs, which have been approved in Canada, and now institutions are starting to get into Ethereum. And that is why we're seeing this massive inflow of capital into it over the last couple days. 400,000 coins flowed out of Coinbase on a single day just a couple weeks ago. That is huge. So that's the first thing going on. Institutions are starting to get into Ethereum. In addition to this, we're also seeing two big upgrades that are set to take place within the next couple of months for Ethereum. The first is EIP 1559 and the other one is ETH 2.0. So both of these, essentially what they're going to do is, in some ways, they're going to either reduce fees for Ethereum, or what they're also going to do is help with the supply. So they're going to essentially act like a deflationary asset. It's going to reduce the supply of Ethereum. Less supply, and there's the same demand. Well, supply and demand, it's going to automatically increase the price of Ethereum. And the third thing, what is going on right now is that also there is a surge in DeFi volume. So decentralized finance, big trend, big thing that's happening right now in just the currency world, not just cryptocurrency, just all across in finance in general. And decentralized finance, so Ethereum has NFTs, it has smart contracts and everything like that have a lot of different use cases. And for all of these different use cases, now we're starting to see Ethereum, a lot more money is being transacted on the platform. We're seeing a lot going on with Ethereum and that. Just the other day, it surpassed platinum for the first time ever in terms of assets. It put that as the 33rd most valuable asset in the world. Now Ethereum is even more valuable than Bank of America, and it is slowly starting to creep up to that $400 billion market cap. Right now, we have the market cap of Ethereum at $383 billion. This is massive. Important thing we're seeing here is that Ethereum is really starting to get the attention of institutional investors. Ethereum is starting to take a lot of eyeballs away from Bitcoin because Bitcoin is essentially just a digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, Ethereum has a lot more use cases with smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized finance in general. So a lot more people are looking towards the use cases of Ethereum, and I think we're going to definitely see Ethereum surpass Bitcoin in terms of market cap very, very soon. We saw Bitcoin reach all-time highs of $65,000 per coin just a couple weeks ago, has not yet recovered since then. Ethereum, on the other hand, has recovered and skyrocketed well past those previous record highs, now well into that $3,000 per coin range, and I don't think it's slowing down anytime soon, which is a really, really exciting thing to see with Ethereum, smart contracts, NFTs, and decentralized finance in general. Really, my opinion is once we start to see Ethereum ETFs in the US, that's going to be a massive, massive thing for Ethereum. We already saw 3 different Ethereum ETFs be approved in Canada and other countries around the world, but once we see it in the US, that will be a really, really positive impact on Ethereum.